Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Mathmagic Workbook Standard 5th. Today we'll see our continuation chapter number 3, How Many Squares. In the previous video, we have completed main 5. Today we'll see main 6. See the heading first of all. Find the perimeter and area of the shapes given below. Here you have to find out the perimeter also and area also. What you have to find out? Perimeter also and area also. In the previous video, I have shown you that perimeter means outside ka measurement. Okay. And area means inside measurement. Okay. See, 1 square is equal to 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. See the first one. Here you have to find out perimeter and area. So first of all they ask about perimeter. So let's see the perimeter. Perimeter means outside area, outside measurement. Okay. See how we have to count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Outside measurement is 10 centimeter. So write down 10 centimeter. Perimeters unit you have to write down in the centimeter only. And area means inside measurement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So write down here 6 and you have mentioned here area. So write down square centimeter. Now see the second one. Again what you have to find out? Perimeter. So again count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So perimeter it's a 20. Okay, outside measurement. So write down here 20 centimeter. Now see area. Now we will see the area. Area means inside measurement. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Inside it's a 24 square. So write down here 24 square centimeter. Why square? Area you have to mention it. So 24 square centimeter. Now see the next page. See the third one. Perimeter first of all. So आपको क्या करना है? You have to find out the perimeter outside measurement. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Perimeter. So 16 centimeter, not square, but it's perimeter. So only centimeter. Now area. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Inside measurement is the area is the 16 square centimeter. Okay. See, one thing is there. In perimeter, if you write down 16 square centimeter, then your answer is wrong. And in area, you only write 16 centimeter, then also your answer is wrong. So you have to see it carefully. You have to notice that in area you have to write down square centimeter and in perimeter you have to write down centimeter only. Okay. So while writing the answer you have to take care of it. Now see the fourth one. Perimeter. So outside measurement, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So write down here 14 centimeter perimeter. So 14 centimeter and area. So inside measurement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So write down here 12 square centimeter. Now see the fifth one. Perimeter. So outside measurement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So write down here 12 centimeter. Now area. So inside measurement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So write down here 8 square centimeter. Now see the sixth one. Again perimeter, outside measurement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 16 perimeter, so 16 centimeter. Now area, inside measurement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 square centimeter. Now see the seventh one. Perimeter again. So outside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So write down here 14 centimeter. And area, so inside measurement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So write down here 12 square centimeter. Area, so square centimeter. Now see the eighth one. Perimeter again. So outside measurement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 16 centimeter. Now area inside measurement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 15 square centimeter. Now we will see the next page. See the main 7. Find and write the area of the shapes given below. Here the shapes are given. You have to find out the area and write down the area. Okay. Area of the shapes. Square is equal to 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. See the first one. First of all what you have to find out, जो full square है वो. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one little bit is not there, so you have to count it 1 only. Okay. I have taken only 1 only. If is greater than half, then you have to count it as a 1 only. Okay. Here it's a greater than half, so you have to count 1. Here also it's a greater than half, so count it 1. And here it's a less than 1, so you don't have to count it. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And here it's a this 2 half. So it's a 6. 6 square centimeter. In the first one you have to write down 6 square centimeter. Now see the B. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So in the answer you have to write down 9 square centimeter. Now see the C. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one is the less than half, so you don't have to count it. And this one is the more than half, so you have to count as a 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in the C, your answer is a 4 square centimeter. Now see the E. Let's see D रह गए. Okay, so D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First of all, we have counted जो पूरे complete है वो. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And this 2 half means 1. So it's a 7 square centimeter. So write down here 7 square centimeter. Now see the E. Okay. First of all count the complete square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. This 2 means 19, this 2 means 20 and this 2 means 21. So your answer is a 21 square centimeter. Now see F. First of all, count the complete one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, 6, 7 and it's a 8. Okay. So write down here 8 square centimeter. Now see main 8. First of all, read the question. Complete the given shape in such a way that we get the area as given above it. Here area is a given and you have to complete the figure. Figure आपको इस तरह से complete करना है that it shows the given area. You have to complete the figure in this way that it's maintain this given area. Okay. 1 square is equal to 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. Now see 10 square centimeter is a given. This much is a given in your book. So you have to complete here. So how I have complete here? See, this 2 is a given. Okay, so it's a 1 and this 2, it's a 2. Okay, this 2 half means 1 complete. This 2 half means 1 complete. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So in this way you have to draw the arrow, cover up this much area that shows the 10 square centimeter. Again I shown you how you have to show. This 2 half means 1 complete and this 2 half means 1 complete, means a 2. Okay, 2 square centimeter. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So it's become a 10 square centimeter. Okay, this way you have to mention it, the given measure. Now see, similarly see the second one. 4 square centimeter. So this much line is given in your book. आपकी बुक में इतनी लाइन दी गई है. So this two half है. This 2 half means it's a make a 1. This 2 half means 1 and this 2 half means 1. So this 2 half 1 plus this 2 half another 1. So it's a 2 and this 3 and 4. So here your figure completes, it's cover up 4 square centimeter. Again I shown you this 2 half means 1 and this 2 half means 1. So it's a 2 and this 3 and 4. So it's a complete 4 square centimeter. Now we will see the third one. See the third one. 2 square centimeter. 2 square centimeter means this much line is given. Okay. 1 square centimeter is a given. 1 half and another 1 half means it's a 1. Okay. And another way you have to draw in this way. 1 half and 1. Again 1. So this one and this one. It's a 2. 2 square centimeter. So today we will do up to this much only. We will see the main 9 in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.